Oh, that's a clip. That's a clip. Yo, what's up, guys? Today I will be showing you a little preview of our editing pack, so you guys know like what's in it. And yeah, also if you wanna buy the editing pack for $10, don't forget to DM me on Twitter. The link of my Twitter is in the description, so just click that and you'll be able to contact me. So yeah, do that. And yeah, let's get right into it. We have my part, we have Subtools part, and we have a little Discord server and some overlays that are made by us. So we're gonna go into my part first. This is the drive link. We have a little screenshot on what you can do. This little sniper effect that you can do. The CC is in the pack, and so is the overlay. So yeah. Now plugins needed. These are the plugins that you need. We have practice clips. We got really good overlays. There's about 200 overlays in here. Like you guys saw in the preview, there's mask tutorials on how to do masking. If you want to learn how to do these transitions, they're in the pack. So look, that's one of them. We have mask presets, clones. We have all my impacts. We have my build-ups. We have like 8 idents that are really good. We have velocity here. We have some more overlays and leaks. These here are some good overlays. This is the maxi overlay if you guys wanna use that. We have some other cool overlays here that are pretty cool. And yeah, we have some color correction here. We have some CCs. I have about 20 for now, but I'm gonna add like 20 more. We have build-ups. We have sound effects. And track transitions, I think. And we have a little tutorial. If you're new to After Effects and you wanna buy this pack, there's a little tutorial here on how to import presets into your After Effects. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my part. Then we're gonna go to Subtools part. His part is pretty decent. He has previews. He has some clips of his. He has some songs, sound effects that are really good. Presets. He has CCs. He has build-ups, impacts, misks, shakes, transitions, everything you need. Overlays made by us and overlays. Then we have cinematics here, filmed by him. We have some fonts, and this is a little plugin pack that you might need if you don't have any of these plugins. There's a little plugin part that you can use. And yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. There's a little Discord private server, so if you need any help or you want to contact me or you don't know how to do something, you can join this Discord server, and as soon as you join it, you can contact me and I can help you. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to buy this pack, DM me on Twitter. Link is in the description. Only for $10, pretty cheap. And yeah, guys, I hope you have fun, and I'll see you guys later. Good luck.